Welcome to this video on graph theory. Today, we delve into a fascinating field of mathematics that has crucial applications in computer science, biology, and social networks. Graph theory studies graphs, which are mathematical structures consisting of nodes, also called vertices, and edges that connect them. Let's start with the basics. A graph can be undirected or directed, meaning the edges either have a direction or they don't. Directed graphs, or digraphs, have directed edges, indicating a one-way relationship between nodes, while undirected graphs have bidirectional relationships. Next, consider weighted graphs, where edges carry a weight or cost. This feature is essential when solving problems like finding the shortest path. A classic example being Dijkstra's algorithm. Speaking of algorithms, you'll also encounter breadth-first and depth-first search when analyzing graph connectivity and exploring paths. Connectivity in graphs determines whether there exists a path between any two nodes. A connected graph has a path between every pair of vertices. Conversely, in a disconnected graph, some vertices are isolated or only partially linked. Trees are a special type of graph, a connected, acyclic graph that exhibits a hierarchical structure. These are foundational in computer science for data representation and manipulation. Other notable concepts include bipartite graphs, which can be divided into two sets, where each edge connects a vertex from one set to the other, and planarity, which examines whether a graph can be embedded in a plane without edge crossings. Graph theory also extends to more complex applications like network flows and coloring problems. The four-color theorem is an intriguing problem that states any map can be colored with no more than 4 colors, such that no adjacent regions share the same hue. In modern applications, graph theory underlies the structure of the internet, the spread of diseases, and even genetic analysis. Understanding graphs can illuminate the connectivity and efficiency of many systems. We hope this introduction to graph theory inspires you to see the world through the lens of nodes and edges. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.